Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you this new tool that's on BandLab. If you go to bandlab.com/splitter, you can import a song. It will split it up into vocals, drums, bass, and others. And then you can play through the song. I'm not going to play it because of copyright reasons, but you can play through the song and you can mute the vocals. This is a fantastic way of creating a karaoke version of your favorite track. Or if you wanted to learn the bass part, you could solo the bass part, so you could listen to it, and then you could mute it and play along to the song. Another fantastic tool that you can use this for is if, like me, you have quite a limited vocal range and you find some songs are either too high or too low, you can transpose the song by increasing the pitch of the song, transposing it up a semitone or down a semitone to find the key which works the best for your voice. So you can just experiment by raising it, play through the song, see if you can sing it, or reducing it. And then a tool that, as a guitarist, I found really useful, which is a speed trainer. What you can do is you can loop a certain part of the song, or even the whole song. Say, for example, I want to loop this part here. And that's the part of the song I'm trying to learn. I can decrease the speed. So this will give me the song at 80% speed or 70% speed. I can play through it and then I can get comfortable with it. And then once I'm comfortable, I can increase the speed until I reach the original speed of the song. And so training myself to be able to play the song. Really useful tool. Another fantastic feature is you can actually download all the stems. Then you can put them into any DAW you like, have a go at mixing it, have a listen to how the bass was processed, soloed, or how the vocal effects changed throughout the song. It's really, really a fantastic tool. I recommend using it.